Now let me show you how would you export these without, I mean, if I said, hey, all of these red, green, and blue layers as individual files to compare side by side or something. Well, essentially, if your first thought is, well, I guess I would, make this is the red, so I'd hit Command-Shift-S to do a save as command, and then I name it red, and then click save, and then I would turn this eyeball off. Command-Shift-S to do another save as, and then name this one green, and then turn that off, and then Command-Shift-S, name this one blue. Yes, you can do it that way, but you notice how repetitive that is. Photoshop has so many powerful automated features for you. So to quickly export all these layers to files without that repetitive save as per layer procedure, let Photoshop do the work for you. Just click on that lock icon to toggle it off, and I will rename this one original. All you do is go up to File, Export, Layers to Files. Then it's going to ask, where do you want to save it? So I'm going to hit Browse. I'm going to save it here. I'm going to add a new folder, Project 1, Create. So now that folder's ready to go. Do I want this prefix? Like, this is going to give the entire name of that original JPEG in front of whatever the layer name is. So it would say all of this, and then it would say -red. I don't want visible layers only, so everything that I have toggled on, include the ICC profile, JPEG quality of 12, hit run, and it's done. So I'd go back to Bridge. There's my project 1. And now look, I have a chronological red, green, blue, and original. So I have access to these files with a quick export layers to files. Hope that helps. Hey, what are you still doing here? It's over. Go home.
Yes! That's awesome! What? You just took one in the jugular, man! Whoa! Yes! Oh my god! Oh my god, I did! Is this bad? Is this bad? You should pull that out.
Hey, you stayed to the end. You know what that means? You're awesome. I'm talking about you. Now get out of here.